بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic is about the rooster and why it is said to give azan in the morning. One day a man named Ibn al-Qawa came to Imam Ali alayhi salam saying that an ayat in the Quran had caused him to doubt his faith. Imam Ali alayhi salam asked for the verse that had doubted his religion.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم تر أن الله يسبح له من في السماوات والأرض والطير صافات كل قد علم صلاته وتسبيحه والله عليم بما يفعلون.
औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. क्या तुमने नहीं देखा कि आसमानों और जमीन के रहने वाले और परिंद जो पर फैलाए उड़ते हैं सब अल्लाह ही की तस्बीह करते हैं. हर एक ने अपनी नमाज और तस्बीह समझ रखी है और अल्लाह जानता है जो कुछ वो करते हैं.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Do you not see that Allah is He whom do glorify all those who are in the heavens and the earth, and the very birds with expanded wings? He knows the prayer of each, and its glorification, and Allah is the cognizant of what they do.
Imam Ali alayhi salam replied, O son of Al-Qawa, verily Allah, the Blessed and Exalted, had created angels in different shapes. There is an angel of Allah, the Blessed and Exalted, in the shape of a rooster, which is hoarse and gray.
Its talons are in the seventh lowly earth,
and its dual comb is below the empyrean. It has 2 wings,
one in the east, one of fire,
and the other in the west, and the other of ice.
When the time of prayer comes, it stands on its talons, and raises its neck from below the empyrean, and it then flaps its wings, 2 wings like the roosters in your houses do. Neither the one that is from fire melts the ice, nor does the one from ice put out the fire.
And point it calls, I bear witness that there is no God but Allah. He is alone. There is no associate with him. And I bear witness that Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a master of prophets, and his successor is the master of successors, and that Allah is the most praised, the most holy, Lord of the angels and the spirit.
Then the roosters in your homes flap their wings and answer him in his call, and that is the word of the Exalted. The birds with expanded wings, each knows its own prayer and its own glorification, from the roosters in the earth.